Dear Taylor Swift, Hi, my name is Michelle, I'm 20 years old, and there's something I'd like to tell you. I've been listening to your music since 2008 when my friend showed me your album Fearless. I wasn't much of a country music fan, but I gave it a chance and instantly loved it. I loved the way you wrote your lyrics, and the meanings they had were simply amazing. I considered myself a casual fan of you. However, within the past few years, although I continued to listen to your music and watch you evolve as an artist, I wasn't sure of how I felt about you as a person. I couldn't tell if you were the girl next door or the mean girl at school. The media would portray you in a negative way, and you were a pretty sensitive subject to talk about. Opinions of you were always split down the middle. Either I love her or I hate her guts. And don't even get me started on all the jokes about your personal life that are honestly no one's business. Although I mostly blame the media for this, I also blame myself for believing them without taking a chance to get to know you myself. In recent months, I've been following you on Twitter and Tumblr, watching your interviews, and reading what fans say about you. And I would honestly like to say, I'm sorry, Taylor. I have now come to see you as one of the most down-to-earth, big-hearted, and sweetest people in the music industry, and I'm sorry it took me so long to realize that. 1989 has also helped me fall more in love with you by the minute. I'm actually listening to it as I write you this letter. Every song is so real, incredibly written, and beautifully sung, and I honestly can't pick a favorite. I hope you'll forgive me, Taylor, and accept me as a true Swiftie. I also just found out that you're going on tour in 2015, and I can honestly say with a smile on my face, I can't wait to see your undeniable talent live for the first time. Yours truly, Michelle.